Yes, let's continue on. Let's listen to the fifth song for UMK's national selection. This is One Morning Left Puppy music video. I mean, I'm gonna say why I think Vivi and Aino might win this is that I just got the feeling. I just got the feeling that this might be the winning entry in the end, because usually I'd be like, yeah, you're the front runner, but I might want to switch it up a little bit here and there. There was nothing in that song I would change at all. And I think that song in Eurovision will be a hand slam dunk hit with the juries. The jury's gonna eat it up with silver spooners. A gold spoon is like a yogurt. I think the Aino song will win the national selection of Finland. I know many people, including me, are waiting for what Erika Wickman is gonna bring. I think she's the front runner to win, but if you're looking at the competition for this national selection of Finland, she has competition. So anyway, let's talk about One Morning Left. Okay. Well, if you wanna find the love child of Kerry and Windows 95 man, here you have it. I have no idea how you should stage this. What a song! I mean, wow. This national selection really are stepping up the game, and I was like, yeah, this might be the public winner. Yeah, I think this is the public winner of UMK. I think this wins the public. What a song! I mean, I'm gonna say that was fun, and I love it. And like I said, this is like the love child of Kerry. You have Kerry's rockness and then Windows 95 campiness. You have them both in this one song. I love it. I mean, this might be one of the first songs I actually want to download and have on my phone. This might be the first song I want to do. Yeah, and besides like the lovely song from Greece, but yeah, I think this song was amazing. This song is pure camp, chaos, and in a good way. Will this win Eurovision if this goes? No. Will it win the public? It can. I think this song is actually a winning candidate song for the public. Yeah, I think they're just gonna hate it, of course, but I think the public is gonna be a... Yeah, if you stage this correctly, this might be a front runner to win it at all too. Anyway, thank you so much. One Morning Left. I didn't know what to expect, but I love it. Oh hi, you're still here. I hope you have not forgotten to subscribe. So subscribe here and look for the recommended video over here and end credit now. Bye.